Motorola launched its new affordable G series phone in Germany called Moto G04s. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G04s features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Moto G04s sports a single 50-megapixel camera on the rear, with f1.8 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 out of the box, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also comes with stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos technology for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.49 by 74.53 by 8mm, and it weighs around 178.8 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G04s has been priced in Germany at 119 euros. And it is now up for pre-orders in the country in Concord Black, Satin Blue, Sea Green, and Sunrise Orange color options. And it is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 30th. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G04s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.